How to check phone warranty on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. From here, check the serial number of your phone. Now, go back and open up Safari. Search for Apple serial number check and tap on the first option from the results. Once you're here, scroll down and type in or paste the serial number of your phone over here. Then, tap on Submit below. You can now view your phone coverage information over here. You can also view the service options available. Following these steps, you can easily check phone warranty on iPhone.